Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. We're back at Anfield for my first part of the pink stage build preparation. I came here ready to launch. I looked on Drone Assist and saw there was a temporary blockade over the airspace. I thought I ain't going to launch because there's been a few drone pilots who've had drones confiscated. I'm not going to be one of them. I'm responsible. So if I'm allowed to fly, my phone call to air traffic control will be successful. They'll ask me questions like the height I'm going to fly, the size of drone I've got, the time limit I'm planning to be there flying, just to cover my own arse basically. But I'll put on the screen now what the blockade of the airspace looks like. It's a temporary one, but it will turn red from Monday, which is definitely a no-fly zone then. So yeah, we're going to hopefully see the pink preparations. My first part, I'm only doing a two-part one. The second part will be tomorrow, and I'll have to go through it all again and get permission here at Anfield to have a quick look at the layout. Pretty much the same all the way down. The purple remains. If you like what you see, click like, share, subscribe. Let's go and check in on that pink stage. Fingers crossed I can get the drone up. See you after the intro. And welcome back everyone, we are airborne. First of all, I had to make a phone call to air traffic control to make sure I was allowed to fly. They asked me for my number, what height I'm going to fly, so I covered myself just in case I get any police wanting to confiscate my drone or anything. I've got permission to fly within the next half an hour before this zone becomes active on Monday, so I'm quite responsible when it comes to drone flying. I'll make sure my back is covered. On with the pink update. A quick look at the compound. And there's a fleet of what looks like flatbeds over there. It looks like they've already unloaded all they were carrying, so we'll head over the ground in a while and take a look. It's pretty much the same kind of setup actually for the Taylor Swift concert as it is for the Pink concert on Monday. All the signage that was purple is still in place. All the barriers are used for the same concert as Pink. So, and if we go around towards the main stand side, like I said, it's just the same setup really. All the tents are up where they were before. This tent there is like a medical tent. It's a big red cross on there. I'm trying to stay at 80 meters at all times because that's what I told air traffic control I'm going to remain at. And that's that welfare tent up there. So without further ado, let's go over the ground and have a look at the stage. This is Pink playing live at Anfield Monday and Tuesday, where I can see the top of the stage already there as it comes into shot. Fleet of forklifts in the middle there. The speaker tower is there also. We'll just go towards the cop end. We'll start turning now. Pink is, yes, last night, tonight I believe he's playing in Dublin, I think. So She's got twin stages also. And there's that stage. It's looking pretty boss, that is. I'm not allowed to drop down anymore because I told the exact height I'm going to be flying. But that looks absolutely mint. Sound towers at the end. Wow, what a production. Totally different setup. Taylor Swift's was well pricey. This is definitely a good looking stage also that you're going to get a lot more people down there enjoying, because Taylor Swift did take over a hell of a lot of the pitch. But let's have a quick close-up of the other area down below. And down there. If I come back tomorrow, we'll have to get permission to fly again. You don't just come here, turn up and fly. If there's a blue circle over Anfield, it's a temporary restriction. You need to ring air traffic controller, ask them if it's possible. If they say yes, they'll ask you your number, name, details. Back to the stage. The guys are high up there, probably sorting out the electrics. Looking fantastic. It's going to be jumping. We all know how much Pink loved Anfield the last time she came. It was incredible scenes. Totally different to Taylor Swift, but they were both massive artists. Absolutely massive in the music industry. Zooming down there, the guy's putting that together. But Pink is more into like harnessing yourself up and doing like somersaults and stuff on cable wires and everything. She puts on one hell of a show. Absolutely amazing. I need to climb a bit. I'll drop down by itself there a little bit. So yeah, the stage is looking nearly there, to be honest. We're going to fly back over Anfield Road. This is my first part of Pink preparation. I was going to come earlier, but it was only like the base that put down, so I didn't bother. After this, Europe, and I believe there should be then after the Europe leg doing America gigs and Canadian gigs, and it all wraps up and ends on the 23rd of November. So it's a massive tour for Pink. If you're going, if you have a fantastic time, don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. I'll be so grateful if you did. Enjoy Pink, because Pink enjoys Anfield. See you all soon. Bye for now.